15.3, Khona or Kho. And this whole module is going to be about one verb, and an extraordinarily useful verb, especially around the office or around friends and children and at school. And this is the verb. The verb literally means it is here or it is present. So khona, the verb that means it is here or present, we've already come across in our greetings when we say ndikhona or sikhona, which means literally I'm here or we are here, and is a way of saying I am well. But ukhona is quite often used as an answer to the question where something is. So somebody might say upi umtwana, where is the child? And you could say ukhona, she or he is here. Bapi abantwana, where are the children? Bakhona, they are here. Lipi ipepa, where is the paper? Likhona, it is here. And notice that we have those concords, those subject concords added to the front, referring to the particular object or noun or person that we were looking for. But we can also use khona as a question word. Ukhona umama na, is mother here? Likhona ipepe na, is there any paper? This is one we use quite often at the copier machine. Ikhona ipen na, is there a pen? But just as useful as being able to say something is here, it's also very important to be able to say that something is not here. And here we have a little bit of a derivative from the normal use of the verb. And what they've done is they've taken the na away from the khona, and it literally just ends on that simple kho, which means it is not here. And to the front of that kho, they're going to be adding those negative subject concords, and we're going to look at them, or we're going to revise them in a minute just to remind us how that works. So for example, and that kho then means it is not here, but we also use it when we say there isn't any of something. So if we want to say ukhona ukleha, is the doctor here? Then you would answer no. Hi, akekho. And akekho, that ake or akka, is a negative subject concord that is used for class 1, and I'll show you that again on the next slide. Let's look at a different class. Ikhona imali na, is there any money? So khona, our word for present. Hi, imali ayikho, no, there isn't any money. So the kho is that negative stem for not here. Ayi is that negative subject concord, meaning that it, the imali, is not here or not present. Now the challenge with this is it means there's quite a lot of different ways of saying something's not here. And the ones most useful to know is for class 1 and 2. We'll look at them in a minute. Akekho, for a singular, he or she is not here. Or abeko, for they are not here. And then class 9, ayiko, because that refers to a lot of our borrowed words or things start beginning with an I. And the plural of that, they are not here, the things are not here, aziko. So let's just look a little bit through our subject concords again. So here are our negative subject concords for he or she. Remember, the negative subject concord is aka, but for not, quite often they also use e. So akeko is sort of a colloquial derivative of that, but you can also say akako, and both of that means he or she is not here. And the plural of that is abako, or often also used abeko, which means they are not here. And here just shows you what it looks like for all the different noun classes. Don't remember these, but just become familiar with that, so that if you hear somebody saying "ai asiko," you know they're saying it's something is not here. And as I've said, the common ones to remember is this class 9 and class 10. So class 9 nouns are all our borrowed nouns. The negative subject concord is ayi, ayiko, it is not here. And that negative subject concord, azi, the pens are not here. So this table is in your workbook, and you can just go through them and become familiar with them. And quite often you won't add the second word. You would just say aziko or ayiko or awuko, which means it's not here. If you start listening, you will often use khona and kho used in Xhosa conversations.